Hi, my name is Karan Seth. I am working as a advocate. I am working as a director of SLM Laws. I have started my own practice in this year only, 2026, and I am enjoying it. Honestly speaking, I never thought of choosing law as a career. I was inclined towards business. After that, I started preparing for UPSC, during which I started law as an optional subject, which got me thinking that isn't it something that will help you see everything in the world? What intrigued me to pursue law and litigation as a career? Basically, it is a battlefield. What is seen from the outside in the movie world, like that we are in Harvey Specter going around and making cases and making deals and earning lakhs and thousands and crores. It is nothing like that. Actually, it is consistency, patience, and discipline that is not seen in the forefront. At days you'll be sitting in a courtroom and your matter might not even reach. There will be days where you'll be sleepless. You'll just be sitting on your desk working on a project, and on the same day, just with a 2 hour sleep in the morning, you'll be appearing in the courtroom with that matter and trying to win it out. You never know when you will get a call from your client that this is all that is happening. I need you at this moment. So you need to be prepped. At times it becomes a very, I would say, a dicey situation where in a courtroom emotions are flowing. The client, when he speaks of it, he thinks the justice would be served in the day, on the same day when he appears, that he would get what he wants. But the reality is, it is not like that. Courtroom takes time. Decisions, judgments take time to form. And thinking of it ki in the one day everything would happen and we would achieve our goal is not the case. You need to balance out things. At times, the advocate also gets attached with the case. They also get emotionally attached with the case. They feel that I want to get justice in this, that the client has suffered too much. But that is where the real forte of yours come in, that you need to balance out. You can't be emotional on the dais, because if you are emotional on the dais, you might take decisions that are not in the best interest of your client. Yes, definitely it has. Before that, I always thought the society was the one deciding the right and the wrong, the white and the black. But at present, what I see is that there is a gray area that is decided by a judge, that whether it is a white part, whether it is a black part. The society in a whole has tried to define law or define things that will help you decide that what is right, what is wrong. But at times, society also fails. And that is what made me realize that that's why there is a need for law and justice to prevail.